I've been with Alpinestars for a very long time, and since amateurs, it's great to have them behind me, and first custom boot is right here. That's a pretty key part of safety equipment is the boots. So to have great boots on your feet is a huge plus, and Alpinestars does a great job at the safety aspect of the boot, and also it's very comfortable. You do a lot with your feet, you know, so you got to keep your feet and ankles good, and to have a good boot protecting them is what it's all about. They put a lot of work and technology into producing a boot that is not only comfortable but very protective. Alpinestars, they have leading edge and some great technology behind their product.